Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be using the free Ares kit in Roblox Bedwars. So yeah, this kit is pretty cool. A powerful ancient warrior that uses electric charge throwing spears to destroy his enemies. So I guess you could like buy spears and then kill people with it, and it seems pretty OP, so let's check it out. Anyways, this kit looks pretty cool. It has like glowing stuff, and then like, yeah, it's pretty unique from like other kit skins and stuff. Also, I didn't mention, but this is actually a level 50 kit that is in season 2, so yeah, it's pretty cool that this is free. Okay, bro, 40 iron for a spear, bro. This is gonna be so expensive. Okay, boys, 100 IQ play right here. Uzi man can't do nothing. Okay, this guy actually got me down somehow, and yep, he's dead. Okay, just died to anti-cheap. Okay, just hopefully, bro, we don't die to lag this game too. Okay, we're getting the bed. Also, guys, if you didn't know, spam clicking on the bed breaks it faster than if you hold click, which is pretty cool. Some dude on my like earlier video accused me of using auto clicker to break beds. Like, bro, why would you use auto clicker to break beds? Okay, nope, I'm getting out of here. Yeah, I'm probably getting chased right now. Okay, yeah, she's still chasing me. Wait, what? Bro, what? I just died to anti-cheat again, bro. Are you kidding me? Okay, dude, just hopefully I don't die to lag again. Bro, I swear, if I die to lag again, I'm just not making this video. GG's. Time to actually use the kit. Yep, how does that feel, man? Okay, yeah, this kid literally has the Evelyn kit. Okay, and now he's dead. What is my man trying to do, bro? I got an armor and stone sword. Okay, you know what? I'm breaking the bed. And this kid is dead. GG's. Yo, what is my man trying to do, bro? He just fell into the void by himself. Yo, chill out with the bow spamming, man. Bro, I swear, crossbows are like the most OP item in the game now. Yep, this kid's probably gonna... Okay, I just missed my Ares spear. Bro, crossbows are literally the most OP thing in the game. Okay, bro, I swear this guy is so annoying, bro. I've been spawn killed by this guy. Okay, he's actually finding me now. Let's go. This is our chance. And GG's, man. Holy man. Yo, 29 emeralds, bro. This guy was stacked. I guess he was just confident that he was gonna win. Alright, boys, so we're playing squads this time to change things up. And yep, I got random teammates. Yeah, I'm gonna just go sneakily break Yellow's bed. Don't mind if I do. And yep, GG's. Yeah, literally the whole blue team just boxed themselves in the generator. I'm not sure what's their plan, but yeah, they literally boxed themselves in with stone. Like, I have no idea what they're doing. Yeah, one more bed to go. Just gonna go ahead, do that. And like that, we just broke the bed. Okay, this elder tree man's trying to fight me, bro. There's no way he's gonna... Some dude just knocked me off into the void, so I'm just gonna walk this guy off the void. And yep. Oh yeah, balloons. Okay, we're getting tree man. I should have got some Ares spears, but like, yeah, I didn't have enough iron. Anyways, let's just get this dude. He's probably gonna die. And yep. GG's. Free tier 3 generator for me. Last red dude crossing a bridge. I don't think that's happening today, man. This guy's... What is this guy even trying to do? Is he gonna break our bed? Nope, he's into the void. Didn't even have balloons. GG's. Okay, dude, I have absolutely no idea what blue is trying to do, but like, yeah. Bro, what is this game strategy, bro? What? Oh my god, I'm gonna die. What is this strategy, bro? They even got a farm. Yo, we won. GG's. My team was actually pretty good, not gonna lie. Okay, we're doing doubles, cause why not? We just go yoink the bed. And yep. Get comboed. Oh, okay. And I kid, bro. Are you serious? I just died. Bro, I got like my muscular teammate right here, bro. What is this guy's avatar? It looks pretty cool, though, not gonna lie. I think Muscle Man can actually win this. Okay, yeah. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Well, at least he tried. GG's. We're back on solos, cause yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to counter this. All you gotta do is mine the blocks and just kill them. Like, it's that simple, bro. Okay, Uzi man's here to kill me. Nope. Okay, now you're running. Nope, that ain't happening today, man. Okay, last dude right here, guys. And okay, I just got lassied, bro. Bro, they really gotta nerf that lassie. It's way too OP right now. So yeah guys, although that might not be the best ending to a video, I'm just not very good at using the kit overall, although it is a pretty good kit. But it's not really just my type, so I won't be using it if I had to buy it. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.